Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today we're going to see this gorgeous palette from Lisa Eldridge, which is the Myth Eyeshadow palette. This palette has a combination of matte and metallic eyeshadows. The mattes in this palette, they all come in the velvet formula. So Nocturama, Victorian Trim, Violet Stone and Mauve Decade. They come in the velvet formula, which is a powdered cream formula. It almost feels like a cream formula. This shade over here, which is Faded Amethyst, is a metallic formula. And this shade, which is Illusionism, is a top coat shade, which means that it has a transparent base and really subtle glitter. So it's a great eyeshadow palette. Even though it is a colorful palette, it's still a pretty wearable one. And I'm going to show you how I took my day look, which I wore at work, from day to night. For your information, this palette Myth has only 3 of her new eyeshadow textures. So it doesn't have the seamless matte, it doesn't have the luster and the luminous textures. But I really do love the combination of colors and textures it has. It really does give you freedom to take your looks to various directions. So this is a violet purple, this is a more red purple. You have a deep color, you have a metallic color and a matte color, both of which you can use as a one and done eyeshadows. You can line your eyes with one of these 2 most colorful eyeshadows. You can do your inner corner or accent your eyes with the top coat eyeshadow. It's a really great palette. Here are the swatches of the Myth palette. Nocturama, Illusionism, Mauve Decade, Faded Amethyst, Victorian Trim and Violet Stone. So this is a look I did today for work. I have used Mauve Decade all over my eyelid and Violet Stone on the outer crease, and finally Nocturama to line both my upper and my lower lash line. So what I will be doing is taking this look from day to night using the Myth palette. So I'm going to add some more of the Mauve Decade. By the way, the look as I did it lasted pretty much intact for 7 hours so far. So I'm taking Mauve Decade all over my eyelid. I'm now going to take Violet Stone again on the outer crease, but now I won't use it as sparingly as I did in the morning. I decided to also take Violet Stone on my lower lash line. It's really pretty. I could leave this look there, but I'm going for a full drama effect, at least for my standards. And now I'm going to use Faded Amethyst mainly on the center of my eyelid. I'm using the Sonia G Grease 2 brush. I'm now going to put Illusionism, which is this top coat shade, on my inner corner. As well as the center of my eyelid. For that, I have used my Refer number 12 brush, and I'm now going to line with Nocturama the outer V corner of my eyes, using a Refer 28 brush. And that is the finished look. That's what I consider dramatic. That's dramatic for my standards, okay? And I think it's really gorgeous. I really enjoying using her palettes. The more I use them, the more I enjoy them. I love her formulas. They are amazing. I've used all of the eyeshadows apart from Victorian Trim, and perhaps this is as far as dramatic I would go, even for night. But I'm going to use Victorian Trim as well, and I'm going to use it over here on this outer part of my eyelid. And on the outer crease. And again, a little bit more of faded amethyst. And now this is a more dramatic eye look. I think that Victorian Trim gives the whole look a boost of color, so it's more vibrant. Still gorgeous and really lovely. Now a little bit of more of a taupe eyeshadow. Illusionism. That's great. I really love her eyeshadows. The more I use them, the more I like them. So that was the eye look, the night version of my eye look using the eyeshadow palette. And now I'm going to show you the Myth lipstick. This is the Myth lipstick together with the Myth eyeshadow palette. This is what the Myth lipstick looks like. It does go well with this palette, but I like it more when it's mixed together with another Lisa Eldridge lipstick, Velvet Carnival, mixed with Velvet Myth. Is a better combination for the Myth palette compared to the Myth lipstick on its own. Now another great lipstick from Lisa Eldridge for this palette is the Velvet Blush, and this combination I think is more wearable. So I really hope you liked my video. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe if you'd want to see more videos from my channel. And thank you so much for being here. Have a great day. Bye.